How's it going, guys? Today we're going to cover what happens when you have a ruptured pinch valve. First thing you'll notice is coming out of the end of your gun, you'll see powder flow without any trigger pull at all. Another indicator would be that that cloud of powder that's leaving the gun is not charged. That's important to distinct when troubleshooting. On a hopper, your pinch valve is located just before the pump on the hopper, closest to the hopper. It'll have this little fitting on top. On a box feeder, your pinch valve will be in this block just below the pump and just above the pickup tube. It'll have that same fitting. This is what a pinch valve looks like when it's not attached to anything. To remove a pinch valve rubber, you want to pinch in the middle, and then you want to push this piece through the rubber, one of the edges. On the other end, you'll pull it out of the pinch valve rubber holder, and you'll have the end-all be-all pinch valve at the end. A rip in a pinch valve will look like this. To replace a pinch valve, you want to have a piece of string in a loop, and then you want the pinch valve, you're going to push the loop through the middle of the pinch valve holder. You're going to grab the pinch valve rubber around the collar, and then you're going to pull the pinch valve rubber all the way through until you're pulled off and the rubber is replaced. And then I center this pinch valve rubber right in the middle of the pinch valve holder. To reiterate, if you have issues with your pinch valve or your gun is putting out powder or air without the trigger being pulled, checking the pinch valve is one of the more important pieces to check.